This is the Frugal Gardener, and I'm out working in the garden, and I decided to do this real quick video. It occurred to me that there's something that I do that you guys may not be aware of. It is June the 10th, so I decided to show you 5 vegetables that you can plant now, and it's early enough in the season, I'm in zone 6B, that you can plant them again before the end of the summer. So you can harvest these twice. You can plant these twice and harvest these twice. So we're looking at lettuce. It's only going to take you 68 days to grow this lettuce. 68 days. It's going to take you till the middle of August. So you can plant again because it's still going to be summer. The second thing on the list is the peas. Well, peas is only going to take you 45 days. So 45 days, do the math. That's easily going to put you in a position where you can plant again, and actually it'll be July, not August. So well before the weather changes. The third one is spinach. As you can see, spinach is only 45 days. I would say 45 to 50, but again, the same thing. You get a double harvest, or you get a second plant, I should say, so that you can get another harvest. Basil will continue to grow on its own. You can harvest from that, cut back, it'll continue to grow. But if you wanted to just pull the whole thing up and start over, you can grow basil in only 35 days. So I saved the best for last. My daughter loves radishes. I'm not a big fan, but if you like radishes, you can grow radishes in 1 month. 30 days. 30 days and you'll have radishes. That will take you to the middle of July. You can plant them again. Middle of July, you can plant them again in the middle of August. So you can actually plant radishes 3 or 4 more times before the first frost. So like I said, I'm not going to hold you guys today. I just wanted to do this real quick in case you have room or time in your garden. These are things you can plant that will actually that you would actually be able to plant at least 1 other time, and probably 2 or 3 other times. This is the Frugal Gardener. Catch you guys on the next video. Have a good one.